The death of social media is nigh. Seriously though, I try to think of the endgame here. Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and every other piece of social media will be flooded by millions, if not billions of bots once the technology gets widespread and easy enough to be used by what we once considered script kiddies. Trust in content authenticity is already at an all-time low. Soon it'll be absolute rock bottom. Literally zero. Nothing can be trusted. All will be AI generated and fake. Fake profiles. Fake posts. Fake images and fake videos. The few actual pieces of human-generated OC might as well be called just another AI creation. For there will be no meaningful distinction. I already see GPT-powered bots on Reddit. If you thought Potter Balenciaga was funny, just wait for ultra-real, indistinguishable propaganda and shady marketing vomit all over your timeline. Short of a miracle. Something like an AI itself gatekeeping access to platforms such as these to filter out AI-made bots. I see no solution. And remember, the hackers are always a step ahead.